What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. For today's video, we're finally, hopefully, we're finally have Akira on all fours.
Hopefully.
Right? That's what I just said.
You driving my car?
Shut your mother, Ross. Happy Monday to all. If you're watching this on a Monday, I hope you're watching this on a Monday. No, probably Tuesday or something. I don't know, whatever. But hey, we have our brand new caliper in from DC5 Creations. To go back from that video was not intended to bash anybody. I just like to post my everyday struggles, bro. It happens sometimes in the shipping process or whatever the case may be. Something happens, it goes wrong. As long as you guys can find a solution to anything, which I knew, but as long as you find a solution, that's all that matters, bro. And then I've known Deivi for years now. Deivi's the homie, bro. So you know, it was no problem there. It was just I was bummed out because this car had been sitting here on the quick jack for 2, maybe 3 weeks now, and I want to drive my car. I got so much things to do to it. But here we have brand new caliper. We shipped it out Friday, got here Monday, and it's already powder coated in the color that we normally have, well, that we originally have. If you guys can see it, maybe not, I don't know, maybe you can, but yeah. So we're gonna get this unboxed, unpapered up, and then we're gonna slap it on the car and then start the process of bleeding everything, and hopefully everything goes amazing. Then we can put the car on all fours, and then we're good. We're golden. We're golden. 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 All right, we got Fred in the whip. Came by to help me bleed brakes so we can get this thing on the road finally. Brakes are bled, back wheels are on. I can't do anything to the front wheels due to not having the wheel spacer. It's already ordered, I'm just waiting for it to come in the mail, but everything is good. Nothing seemed to have leaked. Oh, I got them, I got the keys. So, yeah, so for now, wait till the spacers get in, then we can see what they do. It's the next day, actually. Last night at the gym, Randy popped up and gave your boy some 10mm space. Well, I don't know if they're 10 mils, but they're spacers, they clear. Now I'm just setting the camber on the car, so I gotta run a little bit more camber since I'm spacing out the wheels, and I needed to clear the arches of the fender. I kinda wanna get the rear quarters pulled and then to get the fronts rolled and pulled more. If you have SPC camber bolts, as you see right here, you want this to be on the outside to give you negative camber. This facing this way, facing the wheel, will give you positive camber. This facing the inside towards the engine will give you negative camber. Mine right now is off. I just put the car back together so I can just have everything situated. So now we're gonna make it negative and then we should be solid. Then the car will be on all fours. We can go do a promo show. Oh, I'm so excited. Let's finish this shit. I gotta put my quick releases on ASAP. But other than that, bruh, sheesh. All right, let's get her on all fours, get her out of here, and close out this video with a fire cinematic and maybe an install. Yeah, I think we should do that. We got nothing else to do, right?
Yesterday I got a call from my dog, one-on-one. Said they do this only son because of insufficient.
Look at it, man. She's finally on the ground. Look at that camera in the front. Jesus Christ.
Jesus Christ.
I probably put way too much camera. That's probably at least -4 degrees, while the back is -2. Jesus Christ. All right, so I got the car to the garage, but now I'm having a problem. I don't know if you guys can see that on camera, but this caliper is leaking from somewhere. It seems dry up top, so I'm gonna check the back side and see what the hell is going on. It looks like it's coming from the inside of the caliper. I checked over here, and this side isn't leaking. I don't see nothing fresh on the wheels itself. The car, the brakes are weird. The brakes feel mad weird. If I pump it, it builds pressure and then it loses pressure again, which indicates there's a leak. The car doesn't even want to move now because the brake pads are literally stuck on the rotor. So I'm not exactly too sure what the hell's going on. So what I'm gonna do now, I already have put the Integra in the garage. So now what I have to do, I have to, I guess I'm just gonna do it here. I'm gonna take the bumper off and raise up the car in the driveway and then try to fix it there and see what the hell's going on. All right, so I have my girl in the car. Pump brakes. We're gonna see where the leak's coming from. All right, so I pulled the caliper off. There's no signs of leaking seals. Well, there's nothing wet when I pulled it off. Like, there's nothing wet on the inside of the pistons, nothing. So I'm confused on what the hell the issue is. And it still leaks. So bring it up to speed. Took the pads out, put the pads back in, did everything, and my shiz is still leaking, but it's leaking from the inner. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna take off the brake pads and see if the seals are bad, or it's something, bro. Oh, you can see. Oh, you just saw it drop. Yeah, literally leaking. So, hey. Well. So this is what's going on. The caliper only leaks when the wheel is on the car and you're trying to drive it. I had my girl put the car in first gear, drive it, and we saw a leak at the bottom of the caliper. Like, there were 2 drops, like big drops, and I told her to stop, turn the car off, took the wheel off, took everything. Oh my God, I forgot to clean the damn the fluid that's on the wheel, for it stains my damn wheel. And I don't know what it's mad weird, bro. Like, it will leak from right here in this area, and I don't know why or how, but this fiasco I've been having is just so weird, bro. Like, I don't know how my luck is this bad, dog. Gotta contact Deivi, let him know what's going on, and see what we're gonna do now. Cause like, he already sent me a replacement caliper for the passenger side, and that seems to be good. Like, you press the brakes, that actually like holds, like if you press the brake, that wheel won't move. If you press the brake, this wheel still continues to move until you pump it. I bled the brakes off camera again, and it's doing the same thing. So I'm thinking the seal has a leak. Contact Deivi, see what's up, and see where we go from here, bro. It's just very unfortunate, you know, these things happen. At least my car is out getting some fresh air. It's been a minute since it's been outside, but all right, so I'm gonna show you guys exactly what's going on, so y'all don't think I'm lying or trying to BS or anything of that nature, because I know how some people can be, and like, it's nice to show things. So I'm gonna show you guys straight cut. I'm gonna put everything back together, and then I'll show you guys what the hell's going on.
Like, being bipolar is part of what makes you brilliant, part of what makes you you, and you embrace it.
What am I supposed to do? I shop and get rich. Work too hard, but boy, don't fall too hard and get your wig split. Pray to God, I heard they got new guys.
All right, the wheel is on. You see how it's dry underneath? There's nothing. I'm gonna see if it can focus. I don't know if it'll focus, but it's completely dry. Like, hand dry. Now watch what happens. Object is in the car. Nothing? No leaks yet, nothing. All right, all you have to do, wait, put your foot on the brake.
Wait, I gotta touch the remote.
Huh?
Touch the remote. What?
Just put your foot on the brake. Your foot's on the brake? Her foot's on the brake. All right, driver's side moving. Let's go to the passenger side. Good, not moving at all. And I'm forcing it. Pump 2 times. All right, she pumped it. This should be hard now. Oh, no. This is like, I'm flicking it. I'm basically flicking it. Pump it. All right, now hold it. Tight. Barely wants to move. Like, it barely wants to move at all. This side should just be super tight. Yep, this side's tight. Right, now she pumped it. Come off the pedal.
And then.
Okay. Now this should be want to move. Okay. Put foot on the pedal. All right. And it still moves. Cool. Now watch this. Start the car.
Start it?
Mm-hmm. Put it in first gear. You're in first gear? Come off the clutch. Okay. come off of it. She came off the brake. Her foot is completely off the brake. And it's super hard to move. Well, that's no big deal, right? Press the brake. All right, she pressed the brake. Good. Come off of it. And now it's stuck. It's not moving at all anymore. They're both stuck. It's not going anywhere. Put the car in first gear. Alright. That's it spinning. That's first gear. First gear, 5 miles an hour. And that's it. Put it in neutral. And that's it. Off the brake. She's off the brake. Doesn't want to move. Alright, turn the car off. Alright. Alright. Brake is literally all the way going to the floor. And now it's building pressure again. And now it has pressure. And like the car, I'll show you guys. Oh. Alright, cool. Alright. Car don't even want to move. It's like the caliper is sticking or something. Yeah, like I can feel it. Like whenever I'm coming out of like the gear to go to neutral, the car would just want to stop. Like watch, I'll show you. In neutral, the car is stopping. It literally just stopped. So something is not right, and I can feel it in the pedal or something. Like it feels weird. Well, it looks like the leaks are gone, but the car is still having this issue where I don't know, bro. Like I have no idea what the hell the issue is. If you know what the issue may be, please let me know. I don't know, dog. This shit sucks. Man, look how good that looks though, bro. If only this worked. It looks so good, dude. I just don't know what the hell the issue is. Okay, so I got the issue fixed. Well, maybe not so. I don't know if it's still leaking, but as of now, we have working brakes. The homie Mario, aka Just Send It, came over today with his air compressor and his pneumatic air bleeder tool from Snap-on, and we bled the master again, bled the brakes, and everything seems Gucci. Woo! So right now, I'm gonna go shoot a cinematic of this thing. Put the front bumper back on. I actually just put the rear quick latches on because I cut off the piece where this and if you can see it, I don't know where it's at, but yeah, now the rear got quick latches, but I messed up on this side. Obviously I never measure anything, but yeah, and you see this gap here. This gap here is only because the bracket is like missing a chunk of the piece. Like there's a chunk missing, so I messed up the actual quick latch. So that's why you see like a little gap, because if I go more in, this pops out and it's like that. You see that? It's like bulking out. It's because it has to go back, it has to go more in. So what I gotta do, well, I already ordered what I needed to fix it, but all in all, the quick latch is on. Now I gotta do a quick latch on this stuff, but this will wait until maybe tomorrow or something. The homie Noel from Hybro Retrofits got me a FD2 OEM cover. So all this you see right here is about to get covered up in 3, 2, 1. Big difference. All right, first drive with the car, and I guess I did not fix the brakes, because as soon as I come out of gear to like go into neutral or like just shift gears, the car just immediately slows down as if the brakes are being pressed. Like, and you smell nothing but brakes right now. Like, that shit is hot, yo. Like, bro, that's the brake pedal. A beautiful disaster. All right, Brandy's driving to show y'all what's going on. Like, as soon as you come out of the gear, it's like the brake.
Braking.
Yeah, it's like it's braking for me.
Let's see. Yep.
Stopping. Instantly stop.
That's literally the car stopped.
Yeah, the foot ain't even on the brake.
So I'm thinking, okay, there's only two options. The master is bad,
Or the caliper is
or
sticking.
the caliper is sticking. If the master is bad, it can constantly send pressure.
When it gets hot, like is it now leaking fluid somewhere or?
It can't be the master because the master don't really get heat. I don't know. I don't fucking. I sound retarded right now.
Me too, bitch.
Like, look,
And the car don't want to go.
like I legit gotta.
You're to force it, and now when you get out the car, you gonna smell that John,
I think
bruh.
that's caliper.
And now look, my ABS and VSA is on now, so my ABS is now triggered now. Ah, la Lord, bruh. That bitch just stopped, bruh.
I didn't even touch the brake.
Turn the VSA off, can you? Over there, next to the start button, yeah.
No, you can't.
Yeah, it can't do nothing.
The ABS is triggered because it's sensing
That,
pressure.
yeah.
Negative. It got worse.
Yeah, car it don't even want to drive. They don't even want to drive. You fighting the shit out of it right
I'm
now.
gonna take your shit to your mom's house. I don't think you should drive her home.
Yeah, I probably can't now.
That's bad.
That's terrible, bruh.
Yeah, bro.
I don't know what
You
the
gotta
hell.
take it to your mom's house, bro. Clean rags and wipe my hand off.
Nope. Oh wait. Should have. Yeah. Cinnamon.
Yeah. It's like where
They made, yeah.
Maybe
This is the new caliper. This is passenger side, and then you go to the driver's side. And underneath. What? So that is the problem I'm having. We don't know what's going on. Maybe you guys experienced this before. We don't know. Let me know. If you have any type of advice, please let me know. Gaming channel, link down below to that joint. We be going up over there. Not really, but it's nice if y'all can check it out. If y'all have nothing better else to do, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, it's just probably my luck, bro. Like, I don't know. Maybe I'm doing something wrong. Maybe my master is bad. Could it be the master? Bro, I don't know. With all the information you gathered in this video, let me know. All right, cool. Thank you guys for watching. I'll be sure to
I'm making you dinner so you can eat and have a full tummy of food. A full happy tummy. I can even talk. Let me do my stuff.
I got it like that, you feel me? But I'ma holla at y'all. Y'all be easy, alright? I'm gone. Peace.